And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening here sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. And to those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. So welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. So ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight, we have a very inspiring story to share with you all. So our guest is originally from the beautiful island of Bohol, and for the past 30 years, she has been living in Germany. She's a loving wife, a skilled dressmaker, and here's something exciting. She's been part of this digital business for 1.5 years. So imagine that after decades abroad, she embraced something new and started creating another source of income online. So let's all welcome Mercy. I will add her to stage. Hi, Mercy. Thank you
Thank
for your time uh, guesting on my Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago series. Would you like to add more to my introduction before my first question?
yes, thank you, Lori, for having me. It's an honor to be on your
Thank you also.
go live. I want to greet the Filipino. Good evening in your place. I know it is
Yes, good evening
evening
here.
there, and stay tuned. And good afternoon to my followers and those who are watching from Germany. And good morning also to the other side of the world who are watching us tonight.
Okay. Would you like me to proceed to my first question?
Okay.
Okay. So, you've been living in Germany for 30 years. How was life as an immigrant before you discovered this digital business?
When I came to Germany, it was 30 years ago. I was young, to come to a new place was exciting, to learn a new language, new food, um, new people. Then after I learned the language a little bit, I went to work. I love my job, and I was working. But when years gone by, the work, the long hours of working, makes me really tired and exhausted because I would get up 4:30 in the morning just to get to work at by 6. And German time,
Wow.
you have not to be late. You have to be 10 minutes before the starting of the work time. So that every day I was doing it, and until it took toll on my health. Na I could not even sleep because I'm so in Cebuano we so kapoy.
Mhm.
I was so tired. So that was my life before I learned this online business. And the paycheck that I got was not even enough to cover all the bills or to help my family back home, because as a Filipino we want always to help our family back home, supporting our
Mhm.
family.
Yes, that's true. So I think I will go to my second question kasi it's connected, di ba? So
Mhm.
what inspired you to join the digital business after so many years of living abroad?
Freedom. I would say freedom. I need a freedom of time. Everything na lang about freedom. Kasi if you spend always your time whole day working, you have no more time for myself. I had no time for myself. I have no time for my husband. And yeah, I have also other things that is very important for me, other activities. I had no time for that. And also, of course, we go abroad because we also want financial freedom, right? So that's one thing that inspires me to go online business.
Yeah, I think every one of us really wants time freedom because if you're working in a corporate world, or you're working in a retail, F&B, food and beverage, or other work, diba? The 9 to 5 grind, you're always tied to that uh, work. You you
Yeah.
you will not be able to go anywhere you want. Like Monday to Friday, you need to go to work. You need to be in the office. So if you want to go on holiday, go on vacation for 3 months, 5 months, you will not be able to do that, right? So if you are doing the online business, you have all the time in the world to do your business, because you can go anywhere and do your business anywhere, di ba? So
Yes.
thank you for that, Mercy. My third question, were you skeptical, fearful, and doubtful before you started this online business? And paano mo siya na-overcome?
Yes, I was scared. I was very scared because I'm not a tech savvy person. I'm not a social media person. But I saw this opportunity. So many questions came to my mind. Am I able to do this? Can I do this? Maybe I will fail. How should I do this? So many things came into my mind. It is online. I'm not familiar with this because I have no business experience. Even in traditional business, I have no experience. So how much more online? Yeah, but I realized when I let my fear, um, if let my fear stop me from doing this, I would I would be stuck. I'm anyway stuck already in this 5 to 9 grind. And so I thought, why not try something new? What inspires me also is people in this online business always says, if I can do this, you can do it too. So I thought, I'm not so stupid that I cannot do it. So everybody can do this. So I am really grateful because, of course, we have the faith in God that He will help us in everything we do. That is very strong in me. And also, we have we have our community support. We have the mentors who guide us along the way. We have the community. We can ask, and what is best in the community is they always share something where we can learn too. Na? Their experiences, they encourage us, and their strategy, they also share to us that we can use it in our business too. So this is also really very beautiful.
Yes, thank you for that, Mercy. I think being skeptical, fearful, and doubtful, it's normal for every person, di ba? I also feel when I started this online business, I was really very skeptical because I work in a bank, and my mind was already programmed that everything I see online is a scam, it's a fraud. So so when I first started, when I saw the business, when I saw the ads, I was very, very skeptical. But when I dive in, when I took the leap, then I learned, not everything, I learned I watched the pre-coaching video, I saw the community, then my skepticism disappeared, my doubt disappeared. But my fear is still there because our business is online. So you need to show your face to the madlang people, to social media, which I really do not want because I'm a very private person. So I really don't want my face and my life to be in public, because everybody, even your friends or your enemies, will have something to say, good or bad, right? So then that was my fear before, but I won't let my fear hinders my dreams for my family. So my dreams are bigger than my fear. Kaya no more skeptic, no more fearful, no more doubtful. So,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Mercy.
Mm,
Napadaldal ako talon. Okay.
that's okay.
So
It's nice to
if
hear.
anyone, sa mga nanonood, if you can resonate with Mercy's story or my story, you can register on our website, shown, displayed on the screen. So I'll go to my fourth question. How do you balance your time with being a wife, sorry, a dressmaker, and now a digital entrepreneur?
You know, we all have 24 hours. No one has less and no one has more. So it's just using time wisely. Now I use every little time I have to do important things in the house after I went to work, and then I can still do our online business now because this business is very flexible. I can do some hours in the morning, in the afternoon, or before I go to bed. Then it's good because even if I'm not online, the system is working for me. After I
Mm,
set it up, then it will work for me. So I have still time for my ministry. I still have time for my family and my friends. This is really nice.
yes, thank you for that, Mercy. For my fifth question, what has changed in your life since joining this digital business?
What has changed in my life? Well, first is I would say is personal growth. No, I learn a lot. I also read other books other than Bible. I also I'm a Bible reader too, but I also read other books. And my mindset become wider and bigger. So yeah, now I because this is flexible now um we can learn always we can learn this business. The longer you go along with this business, you will always learn new things. Yeah, you will always experience new things, and that is nice. And the good thing also in this business because we don't just sit in one place or in your desk for the whole day to do the business. No, you can do this one time here, one time there, or even in a waiting place. If I go to the doctor and I am waiting 1 hour, I can learn. I can use the time in waiting, in learning, because I have it
Mm,
always in my phone, right?
yes, kasi yeah, if you really have your big why, 'di ba? You will really find time to do the training. We have step-by-step training. It's a video-based training which is easy to follow. So for me, we're the same personal growth and mindset. Talagang when I joined this online business, when I started the business, I really do not know a lot of things, especially yung content creation, uh, editing of videos, and also yung mindset. Um, a lot of things have changed from before I joined the business and after I have joined the business. So a lot of personal growth talaga and yung mindset talaga na bago. I have become a big dreamer na talaga. Right now, I don't want to settle for less. Alam mo yon na, because sometimes if you are employee mindset, we just, parang we're contented na
Mm,
we will get our salary every month.
mm,
Then, we'll wait for the next salary because our salary is not enough, 'di ba? Paycheck to paycheck nga. So we'll wait for for the next month for the next salary. So like we are limiting ourselves. We're not thinking na our God is God of abundance. So He wants us to be abundant. So
mm,
'di ba? So this business makes me think more, makes me dream more na na God has given me a lot of opportunities na puwede kong puwede kong matupad yung dreams ko for myself, for my family, and for the community. So for me, I think this is the opportunity that God gave to me para mabigyan ko ng magandang retirement yung sarili ko, yung
Mm.
partner ko, yung mama ko,
Mm.
and mabigyan ko ng good future yung kids ko, and also to help the community. Oh,
Yeah.
somebody said us a like. Thank you for the like and watching Mansing Patwan. Thank you,
Ah,
thank
thank you.
you. He's my number one supporter talaga.
Mhm. Yeah,
Okay,
really.
for my last question, for those who are unsure about starting something like this, what message or advice can you give them?
Um, don't wait until you feel ready because there is no perfect time. That's why there was a song they always says, tomorrow never comes. Because if the tomorrow, you will also say tomorrow, and tomorrow comes and you will say tomorrow again. So it never comes. There is no perfect timing. So if you know that this business is done by proven by others, so why not try? No, try to do it and try to see it for yourself. What is really this business is, and we have 1 month trial where you can see inside what is our business about, what you will do, what is the product, what company we are partner with. It is 30 days, and if it is not for you, you can refund. So you can have an informed decision whether you will go or not. So I would advise to just go for it because time is so precious. We cannot get back time. So we have to use really our time wisely. So now this is the time to to learn something new because this business has really so much more to offer for us. And this business is proven its work. And, and I am so thankful I found this business.
Yes. Ano ba yung sasabihin ko? To say something, the tomorrow never comes na sinabi mo, di ba? Yeah, that's true. Tomorrow never comes and tomorrow will not come. If, alam mo yun, I mean, tomorrow might not come. Di ba? So we don't know whether God will still give us another day, di ba? So we always say na, oh, tomorrow I will do it, tomorrow I will do it,
Yeah, yeah.
until tomorrow never comes. Tama ka doon, sis. And so for those who are still skeptic, you're still doubtful or still cannot decide whether they want to start because I know a lot of people are watching us, the replay, they will watch us or they are following us, they are watching us every day. I'm sure someone out there is watching us, but they're still doubting if the business is really not scam or they will be successful in the business. This business, just to inform our viewers, this is not a quick rich scheme. So you need to invest your time, effort, and dedication to this business. If you really want to be successful, you need to you really need to give a lot of your efforts. Whatever your input will be your output. So that's why we are here to inspire you, to inform you that there's more to life than your 9 to 5 work. Or sometimes I know a lot of OFW, especially in Singapore, it's not only 9 to 5 work. It's like
Mm,
16-hour shift,
mm,
12-hour shift, 6 times a
mm,
day, and they only rely on one salary, one source of income. So until now, they are not yet their mind is not yet open
mm,
for, alam mo yon, na if you lose your job, na your job is not forever, di ba? Hindi ka
mm.
forever magtatrabaho, hindi ka forever na malakas, because we don't know whether we'll get sick or we will lose our job. So if we lose our job, tomorrow, the next month, next year, 2 years after, 3 years after, what will happen? Are we prepared? That's why we are here showing our faces to the people we can help. Di ba?
Yeah, this is our
So
aim of this
anything else?
business.
Yeah. Anything
We,
else that you want to add?
yeah, I really encourage our viewers, no, our followers, because this business really will help you and your family. So if you're interested, really not to be stuck in your own one source of income, even though you have no experience, our training site is very good. Step by step, you will be guided, and you only need to plug in, to stay consistent and follow the steps. There's yeah, follow the steps. And that's why we are we are here, as you say. We are show our faces because we want to help others. We don't want to keep this business for our own only. We want to help others because we want others to know what kind of business is this, because we know this works, and it will help all
Yes.
many people. Thank you so much, Lori, and it was nice
Yeah,
with you, and thanks for
thank you so
watching.
much, Mercy, for sharing your story with us today. But just to inform, we have a lot of community members. There are a lot of people in our community that have already proven that this business will really change their lives and their families' lives. So thank you so much, Mercy, for your stories. It's truly inspiring to see how you embrace change and created new opportunities for yourself even after decades abroad. So to everyone watching, we hope this episode reminded you that it's never too late to start something new. So change is possible at any stage of your life. You just have to take the first step. So thank you so much for spending your time with us tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of living, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. You have coffee. You have your mug with you. Okay, bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to
Mhm.
earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you're curious or you want to learn more, please message us, me or Mercy, or sign up on our website at www.loriramos.com, and kay Mercy is www.mercygraupner.net. And we will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank you, Mercy.
everybody. Thank you for
Yeah.
watching. Bye.